Question number 1. Use the bar graph to answer the following questions. Pets owned by students of class 7 are given. You see, students are number of students that are represented on y-axis, and the dogs, the pets, the dogs, cats, rabbits, etc., that is represented on the x-axis. Okay, now let us look at the question. First question, which is the most popular pet? Look at the bar graph. Cats are the most popular pets. You see, number of students who likes cats, that is 10, isn't it? So 10 students, they have cats as their pet. Okay, now what's the next question? How many students have dog as a pet? See, yes, students have dog as a pet. Now let us look at question number 3. Number of children in 6 different classes are given below. Represent the data on a bar graph. Okay, the class is given 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Number of children 135, 120, 95, 100, 90, 80. So we have to represent this data on a bar graph. Let us see how to draw a bar graph. You see, on the x-axis, you have to mention the classes 5th, 6th, 7th, etc. On y-axis, we will represent the number of children. Okay, number of children we will represent on the y-axis. Now, how will you choose a scale here? You see, the maximum number of students, that is 135. So, can you mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc.? No, you need 135 columns. So, that is not possible, isn't it? Now, what about taking 5 each? If you put, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, you see, we need lot of space to represent up to 135. So, I think it is convenient to take 25 as a scale. That means it is first unit, that is 25, then comes 50, then comes 75, then comes 100, then comes 125, then comes 150. Okay, so what is the scale we used here? Scale is 1 unit is equal to how many students? This is 1 unit. Okay, 1 unit is equal to 25 students or 25 children. Okay, that is the unit we used here. Now, in 5th standard, we have 135 students. In 5th standard, we have 135. That means about here it will be 135. So this graph, it represents the number of students in 5th standard. Okay, what is that? 135 students. Then 6th standard, we have 120 students. So it is 100, it is 125. So here it will be 120. So in 6th standard, we have 120 students. Okay. Now in 7th standard, we have 95. 95 means it will be here, 95. So in 7th standard, we have 95 students. Then in 8th standard, we have 100. 100 means this is 100. So here we have 100 in 8th standard. Okay. Then in 9th standard, we have 90. 90 means 75. Here it will be 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, isn't it? So it is 90. 90 means it will be around here. So 9th standard students, number of students in 9th standard, that is 90. It is 90. In 8th standard, it is 100. Then in 7th standard, it is 95. Okay. Now in 10th standard, we have 80 students, isn't it? So let us extend this graph, x-axis. Now 10th standard, we have 80 students. So this will be 80. Okay. So this shows the 10th standard students, that is 80 in number. This is how we have to represent a bar graph, okay, using the information given. Now answer the following question. First question, which class has the maximum number of children? Yes, 135 is the maximum, 5th class. Which class has the minimum number of students? Yes, 10th class, minimum number, that is 80 in number. Find the ratio of students of class 6th to students of class 8. What is the number of students in class 6? In class 6, we have 120 students. In class 8, we have, yes, 100 students. What's the question? You have to find the ratio. That is 120 by 100. 0 get cancelled. 12 by 10. 12 and 10 you can divide by 2, isn't it? So it becomes 6, it becomes 5. So the ratio is 6 by 5. That is 6:5 is the ratio of students in class 6 to the students of class 8. That is 120 is to 100, that is 6 is to 5. Now let us look at question number 5. Question number 5. Consider this data collected from a survey of a colony.